నెక్స్ట్ మెంబర్ రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వండి. 4206 శ్రావ్య. మైక్ అన్మ్యూట్ చేసి వీడియో ఆన్ చేయండి.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 4201.
4206, sir.
4206. Okay, ma'am. 4206. Okay. What's your good name?
Beee Shravya, sir.
Shravya. Okay, Shravya. Which subject we are discussing now? Viva?
B3, sir.
B3.
sir.
Okay, B3 full form?
Basic Electrical, Electronic Engineering, sir.
Basic Electrical,
Electronic Engineering.
Electronics Engineering. Okay, very good.
Sir.
Yeah, okay. Define
Okay.
PN junction. What is PN junction diode?
Sir.
What is PN junction diode? What is diode?
It's diode. It is a basic semiconductor device.
Okay.
Basic semiconductor device. It controls the flow of electric current.
Okay. What is current?
Current, the flow of electrons in conductivity material.
In connectivity material. Okay. Tell me some semiconductor materials, pure semiconductor materials.
Semiconductor materials. Silicon, germanium.
Silicon, germanium. Any other? Okay. In BZ, why define transistor?
Sir, once again, repeat, sir.
Define transistor.
Transistor.
Yeah. Okay, next person, 4201.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, well. 4201. The next person should be after 4201. The next person 4211.
Yes, sir.
What's your name, Mama? What's your roll number?
201, sir.
Yeah, 4201. Okay. Define transistor.
Sir.
Define transistor. What is a transistor?
A transistor is a semiconductor device, sir.
Okay.
It is used to amplify or switch the current.
Okay. What is doping?
Sir, what is?
What is doping?
Is doping us? Doping, sir?
Yes.
Substance or technique, sir? Substance or technique to improve.
Okay. What is conductor?
Sir?
Conductor. What is conductor?
Flow of electrons, sir.
Flow of electrons.
Flow of current.
Okay. Next person, 4211.
Thank you, sir.
The next third person, 4287. Be ready?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. The continuation. What is doping?
Doping means it is adding impurities.
Hmm. Tell me some pentavalent impurities. Nitrogen, phosphorus, Hmm. Nitrogen, phosphorus. Okay. Tell me some diode applications.
what, sir?
Diode applications.
Rectifying a voltage,
Okay.
turning AC to DC.
Okay. What is forward bias?
Sir, it is a short circuit.
Hmm. When the device is acts as a forward bias,
Current flows forward direction due to voltage.
okay, current flows in forward direction due to voltage. What is the difference between PN junction diode and Zener diode?
What, sir?
Difference between PN junction diode and Zener diode. PN junction diode ki Zener diode ki difference.
PN junction diode use it to forward bias,
Hmm.
and Zener diode use it as reverse bias.
Hmm. Okay. Oh, what is dynamic resistance?
Sir,
What is dynamic resistance? Okay, you can leave. The next person, 287.
thank you, sir.
Yeah. 287. 4287. The next person after 287, 294.
Sir, vitamins. Sir.
Or you can come forward and you can tell me your roll number. I will note down.
Okay, sir. Sir,
Yeah. 287 is ready.
small issue in my camera, sir.
You know
I
your
will.
screen. Your screen is not visible. Can you see? Switch on the camera.
Vitamins. Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay. 4287, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is dynamic resistance?
Sir, actually, dynamic resistance is the ratio between the small change in the current is to the small change in the voltage.
Small change in the voltage. Okay. Now you can define the general resistance definition.
Yes, sir. Resistance is the property of the conductive material. It
Hmm.
opposes the flow of current
Hmm.
when the current is flowing from the conductor.
Okay. Uh, what is knee voltage?
Knee voltage, it is the starting point of the diode.
Starting point of the diode means what is the meaning?
Activating point of the diode, sir.
Activating point of the diode. Okay. What is the use of filter in rectifiers?
Filter, yeah, sir. It clears the noise and ripple content in the wave.
Okay. What is ripple? Ripple means
Ripple means a small up and down, sir. Not very big up and downs like the after the output
Okay.
from the rectifier.
Okay, that is the AC component, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next person get ready. That 4 to your session is not completed. 4 to 94.
Okay, sir.
94, next one. Okay, okay. So the filter removes the AC component, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the efficiency of the full wave rectifier?
Efficiency.
Efficiency.
No, sir. I don't have any idea.
Yeah, okay. Okay, good. Okay, good.
Thank you, sir.
The next person. $294. Shichandaka, make it come fast. The next CAI branch, CAI, Computer Science and AI, 4354, get ready. Now the 294, 4294.
Manisha. Manisha,
Yeah.
unmute చేసి వీడియో ఆన్ చేయండి. ఓకే.
Yeah. What is transistor, Amma?
Transistor.
Hmm.
Transistor is a device.
Hmm.
Is semiconductor device.
Hmm. Tell me the current equation in the transistor.
Which
Current.
amplifies the
No. Current equation in the transistor.
current equation. No idea, sir.
Why the emitter is first in this PNP NPN transistor? For the first region, why they given the emitter name for the first region in the transistor?
One second.
Hmm? Tell me, ma.
Sorry, sir. Sorry for the disturbance.
Okay.
One second, sir.
Why the first region in the transistor is called the emitter?
Emitter. First reason.
Emitter లో transistor లో
I didn't.
transistor లో in transistor 3 terminals are there, right? So in that one terminal is the
Yes, sir.
emitter. So why that is called especially
Yes,
emitter? Why not other name?
It emits electrons.
It emits electrons.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is diffusion in the PN junction diode?
The layer between P-type semiconductor and N-type semiconductor.
Diffusion. DIFFUSION. Yeah.
When it connected in forward bias,
Huh.
the electron and holes combine together.
Combine together.
In the process, diffusion takes place.
Okay. If the diode is in the reverse bias, how much
Yes, sir.
resistance that the reverse diode can offer?
Infinite.
Infinite. Okay. Okay, good. Good. Go. Next one, 4354.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
4354. The next should be 43A4. Okay. What is depletion layer?
The depletion layer. So when the flow of electrons reduces in the p-n junction diode is known as depletion layer, sir.
Flow of electrons reduces is called the depletion layer.
It's known as the depletion layer.
So where we will find the depletion layer in the semiconductor devices?
So when the diffusion of
Not-
the electrons.
Not diffusion, depletion layer, where will find in the diode or transistors? Where you will find the depletion layer in the p-n junction diode simply.
So when the concentration of the charge carriers are reduced, we find the depletion layer, sir.
Okay. Tell me some applications of the p-n junction diode.
Applications of p-n junction diode. So p-n junction diode is basically used for depleting the regions, and it is used in equilibrium state and also in electrical field, in presence of electrical field.
Okay. The next person 43A4. After that 43A6. Okay, you can do.
Thanks.
Four three A5.
A5, sir.
A5. A4 is not there. A4 ledamma. 43A5. Okay. A4 also get ready. No problem. You can switch on the camera A5. After A5, A4. Okay. A4 term. So then A6 term. Okay. Now, what are the different configurations of transistor?
What, sir?
What are the different configurations?
Can you repeat the question?
What are the different configurations in the transistor?
Three types. Three types, sir.
Yeah, tell me. Name it.
Common emitter, common collector, common
Okay.
base.
Okay. In the common collector transistor, what will be the output terminal?
Collector, sir.
Collector.
Collector is the output.
Okay. In the rectifiers, what is the use of regulators?
Repeat question.
What is the use of regulator in power supplies?
To regulate the flow of currents.
Regulator is the flow of current.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, what is the input for the regulator in the power supply devices? The which block output?
Input, sir.
Yeah.
Emitters.
Okay. Next, A4. Okay. Next, A4. A4. After that, A6. After computer science and next one, CSC. 4603, 46 series. Rule numbers 46 after 5 minutes. Okay, next 43A4 is there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Switch on the camera. On చేయలేమనుక A4. Okay, A4, what's your name? A4, 43A4. A branch. I think connection issue. Next one, A6.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, switch on the camera, ma. Next A6. What's your name?
Hansika, sir.
Okay. What is the other name of cut-in voltage?
Sir,
What is the other name of cut-in voltage?
cut-in voltage.
Yeah.
Knee voltage, sir.
Knee voltage. Okay.
Yes.
What is the silicon knee voltage?
Silicon knee voltage. Sir, I think it's a 0.7 volts, sir.
0.7 volts. Okay. So the germanium is the 0.3 volts. Silicon is the 0.7 volts. Why not
Yes,
the
sir.
same voltage for the two semiconductors? Why the different cut-in voltage for the silicon and germanium?
Um,
Hmm?
I don't know exactly, sir.
Yeah, okay. In the diode symbol, one arrow is there, right?
Yes,
Arrow.
sir.
Arrow lagunta. What that indicates, that arrow indicates?
Sir, can you repeat the question?
Do you remember the diode symbol?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. In that one arrow symbol is there in the
Yes, sir.
diode. Okay. What is the meaning of that arrow?
It's basically the direction of uh, the electrical current, sir.
So direction of current.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In diode is in the forward bias. Okay. What is the resistance in the diode forward bias? If the diode is
Resistance,
in, yeah, diode
resist
resistance in forward bias.
the diode resistance forward bias. Don't know, sir.
Okay. Next person.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. 4603. 43A4 is ready. If ready, you can switch on the camera. Or for next one, 4603.
Yes. Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening. In this series 4603, 4604, 4619, and 4667. Be ready. Okay, 4603.
Yes, sir.
Why the diode is used as a switch?
Because while we are operating on or off switch, that act as a basic system of transistor, commutator, and conductor of
No,
electricity.
switch means on off only.
Mm.
Why the diode is acts as a switch?
The change of forward bias to reverse bias.
Oh, okay. Change of forward bias to. The
Reverse.
forward bias is the on switch or off switch?
Forward bias is on switch, sir.
On switch. Okay. Tell me one application of the Zener diode.
Zener diode is used for voltage regulation as a reference element,
Hmm.
which has voltage regulation and process of switching applications of clipper circuits.
What? Clipper.
Process of application of clipper circuits.
Who said the clipper?
I read, sir,
Where?
in Google.
In Google. Right now only.
Yes. No, sir.
Ah, okay.
No.
That's why that is a new word. That is a
Yes,
old
sir.
word, but the clipper word is new for you.
No word.
Okay. Mm. Name some rectifiers.
Full wave rectifier, off wave rectifier, bridge rectifiers.
Bridge rectifier. Okay. What is the basic difference between the bridge rectifier and the full wave rectifier?
Full wave rectifier has two diodes which has in forward bias changes,
Hmm.
and it has efficiency of n power frequency 81.2%.
Okay.
Bridge
Frequency,
wave
efficiency,
efficiency, sir, 81.2% and
Okay.
minimum 40.6%.
Minimum means what is that minimum? 40.6. What is that? 40.6?
In half wave, we can return as efficiency 40.6. Yes, sir.
So I'm asking about the full wave bridge
Full
rectifier.
wave 81.2%.
Okay. Okay. In transistors, tell me the dynamic resistance in
Transistor has three elements: emitter, collector, base,
uh,
and once repeat the question, sir.
what is dynamic resistance?
Dynamic resistance.
Yeah.
Don't know,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. What is reverse saturation current?
Reverse saturation current can be written in portion of caused by minority charge carries electrons, sir. Majority charge carries holes.
Okay. Okay, my good. Next,
Thank
4604.
you, sir.
4604.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. What are the different regions in the output characteristics of the transistor?
Emitter, collector, base.
Repeat the question.
Active region, saturated region,
Ah,
cutoff region.
Cutoff region. When the diode is operates in the saturation region, sorry, transistor is operates in the saturation region.
Input and output are in forward bias.
Input?
And output both are in forward bias.
Okay. Okay.
And it is acts as switch on.
On switch.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the biasing for normal working of the transistor?
Setting transistors of DC operating voltage or current conditions.
Okay. To get the output characteristics of a transistor in the any configuration, the which parameter we are keeping constant?
Collector. Repeat the question, sir.
To observe the output characteristics, the which parameter of the transistor we are keeping constant?
Repeat the question, sir.
To draw the output characteristics, the which parameter of the transistor we are keeping constant?
Time.
Time.
Base current.
I am not specifying the any configuration. The generalized question to draw the output characteristics, the which parameter of the a transistor we are keeping constant. You can't get in the Google. Your friends are searching, but you people are not get that. Okay.
Current or voltage.
Current or
Voltage.
ఇన్పుట్ కరెంట్ ఆర్ ఇన్పుట్ ఉండేదే 2 పారామీటర్స్. ఆ రెండు నువ్వు చెప్పిన తర్వాత ఇంకా నేను ఆన్సర్ లేదు, నేను వెతుక్కోవాలా?
Current, sir.
కరెంట్. ఓకే, ద నెక్స్ట్ పర్సన్ 19 4619. Is there or any other persons are joined this CSC branch 460 branch 460 branch. You can switch on the camera. Next one 19 4619. Is there anyone can say is the student is not is there or not? 4619. If it is not there, then we'll move to the another student.
Joshi Chandra.
Okay, be ready for 4619. Next one 67.
Good evening, sir. Good evening.
Good evening. What is doping?
Doping is adding impurities to the pure.
Pure? What pure?
Doping is adding impurities.
Doping adding impurities to what?
Semiconductors.
To semiconductors. Okay. What is breakdown voltage?
I don't know, sir.
Next, define static resistance.
I don't know, sir.
What is diode?
Diode is a electrical component that uses to flow the electricity in one direction while restricting other.
Okay. The diode is the bipolar device or unipolar device?
What, sir?
Diode is bipolar device or unipolar device. I'm giving the options: bipolar or unipolar.
Unipolar.
Unipolar. Okay. Next one 67. Get ready 67. The next person CSD 44 series. Come first. 67 is not there. Then switch on the camera 4403. Double 403, 4405, 4406.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, switch on the camera 509. Which 509 amma? Double A4.
4403, sir.
4403. Okay.
Yes, sir.
నాకు ఇక్కడ వేరే నంబర్ వచ్చింది 4509 వచ్చింది. ఓకే. One minute. What is meant by depletion layer?
What, sir?
Depletion layer. What is meant by depletion layer?
Depletion layer means. Depletion layer means it is a A reason is a semiconductor device, sir.
Semiconductor.
Where there are no mobile charge carriers, sir.
Short answer question to long answer question చెప్తున్నావు. What is the use of adding impurity to the semiconductors? Why we are adding?
What, sir?
What is the use of adding impurity to the semiconductors?
Semiconductors. Adding impurities.
What is the use? Why you are adding?
Increase their conductivity, sir.
Increase the conductivity. What is meant by conductivity?
Conductivity means
చెప్పాలా ఆన్సర్ చెప్పాలా టక్కున చెప్పాలా?
conductivity means Okay, next person 4405. Get ready. thank you, sir.
4405.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, transistor is operation the configuration, 3 configurations. Okay.
Yes,
Out
sir.
of these 3 configurations, the which configuration is more frequently used in the electronic applications?
Can you repeat the question, sir?
The transistor 3 configurations are there. Out of 3 configurations, the which configuration is used in applications, in more applications?
PE transistor, sir.
Huh?
Common transistor.
Common
emitter, sir.
Common emitter transistor. Okay. If output circuit, if you are keeping open, okay, listen carefully. If the
Yes, sir.
output circuit is open, then the input circuit can works or it will also open. What is the status in the input circuit if by opening the output circuit?
Open circuit, sir.
Input also open.
Yes, sir.
Output open చేస్తే input కూడా open.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How the transistor is acts as a amplifier?
Sir?
How the transistor is acting as a amplifier? Amplifier.
Can you repeat the question, sir?
How the transistor is acts as a amplifier?
Controlling a largest current with a smaller input current or voltage.
Okay. The last question. Define transistor. Okay. The next person 4406.
Thank you, sir.
4406. Yeah. You only. Next person 4435. Be ready. 4406. Mic on చేయమ్మా 4406. నీ మైక్ ఆన్ చేయి. ఇంకా ఆన్ చేయి. ఓకే. 509. Okay. Define transistor.
Sir.
పక్కన సైలెంట్ గా ఉండిపిస్తే నీకు క్లియర్ వినిపిస్తుంది. ముందే రెడీగా ఉండాలా. నీ టర్మ్ వచ్చిన సబ్జెక్ట్ మూవ్ అవుతే ఎట్లా?
Okay, sir. Sorry, sir.
Okay. Define transistor.
Transistor using for the electron device,
Hmm.
emitters, basic transfers,
Hmm.
etc.
Hmm. What is rectifier?
Nothing but
Huh? Rectifier అంటే తెలియదా? ఓకే. పక్కన వాడిని చెప్పొద్దని చెప్పు, నీకు అందిస్తున్నాడు వాడు, పక్కన వాడు అందిస్తున్నాడు పక్కన. ఓకే. In NPN transistor, one arrow mark is there in the symbol. What that arrow indicates?
Sir, emitters. Emitter.
Okay. Why the current symbol is indicated on only emitter terminal?
Emitter terminal is passing to the current.
Passing the current. Okay. What is the AC supply voltage in our home appliances? We are in the AC supply. So what is the frequency of that AC supply?
Sir?
Frequency of AC supply used in our home appliances.
Home appliance using.
మన ఇంట్లో యూజ్ చేసే కరెంట్ కి ఎంత ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ ఉంటుంది?
230 volts.
230
volts.
క్వశ్చన్ ఏం అడిగా? ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ అడిగా, నువ్వు వోల్ట్స్ చెప్తున్నావు. 230 volts అని చెప్తున్నావు. Okay, the next question. What is the comparison between the dynamic resistance and the static resistance?
Don't know.
Okay, the next person. Okay, you can go.
Thank
next, you. 35. 35.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 35. ఒక్క నిమిషం, ఇది మారిపోయింది. ఓకే, 35. Why the transistor is called the BJT?
Can you please repeat, sir?
నీ సైడ్ సైలెంట్ గా పెట్టుకుంటే మాట్లాడేది క్లియర్ అనిపిస్తుంది.
Just a second, sir.
The next person, be ready. 41. Yeah. Which one the mic ma 35?
Sir.
Next person 41 and 99. The same section. Okay. Why the transistor is called BJT?
Sir, can't get you, sir.
Why the transistor is called BJT?
I don't know, sir.
Okay. In transistor, how many terminals are there?
3, sir.
What are the 3?
Collector, emitter, and base.
Collector, emitter, and base. Okay. What is the cut-in voltage of CE configuration transistor? Cut-in voltage of cut-in voltage of CE configuration.
No idea, sir.
Tell me some applications of the Gina diode.
So applications of Gina diode, voltage regulation, sir. Voltage regulation, and it helps in a reverse bias, sir.
It works in reverse bias. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next person, 41 and 99. Okay, you can go. 41.
Thank you, sir.
41.
Yes, sir.
Which on the camera, ma?
Uh,
I am not finding you here. Okay. Durga Sai Sri, right?
Sir, video is not opening, sir.
Video is not opening. Okay.
Error is coming, sir.
Yeah, okay, no problem. You can speak. Define transistor current.
Define transistor current.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. Transistor current to the flow of electric charge through a transistor, sir.
Okay. Why the base region is the collector region is wider than the base?
Repeat the question, sir.
Why the collector region is wider than the base region?
The reason in a transistor is wider than the base
Why?
region of her.
Why?
Don't know, sir.
Okay. What is the atomic number of silicon? The next
Number
person get ready. 99. Switch on the camera.
number
Okay.
sir?
Atomic number of silicon.
14, sir.
Silicon atomic number is 14. So, what is the nearest noble gas for the silicon?
Noble gas of silicon. What is the noble gas of silicon?
Nearest noble gas to silicon.
Nearest, sir.
Yeah.
Don't know, sir.
Yeah, okay, good. Next, 99. 99. Switch on the camera. The next person, 67 is there. 4667. Yes. '67, 99 is not there, not connected, and not connected. The next 4576. 4576. I will read out the num. Okay. The next 4576 and 4588, 45D1, 4521, or be ready. Okay, now the 4576 is online.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. What is peak inverse voltage?
Peak inverse. Actually, I don't know.
Okay. In the diode, how many ions are present?
Repeat the question, sir.
In diode, what are the ions are present?
Sir, what's
Ions.
ion, sir?
ION.
No, sir, I don't know.
Okay. The charge carrier key. What is the difference between the charge carrier and immobile charge carrier?
No, sir.
Okay. What are the different terminals of the transistor?
3 terminals, sir. Base, collector, emitter, base.
Okay. What are the different terminals of the Zener diode?
Zener diode. Same, sir.
Okay. Next, 88, 4588. Okay, good. 4588.
Yes, sir.
Okay, switch on the camera.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, do you know the transistor construction diagram?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why the emitter region is wider than the collector region?
Sir, once repeat, sir.
Why the emitter region is wider than the collector region?
To emit the electrons, sir.
To emit the electrons. But collector also is there, no? Same materials, collector and emitter. Both are N-type or P-type semiconductors. But both should be same material. That may
Yes,
be
sir.
P-type or same. Why? Why you are keeping the emitter is wider than the collector?
Sorry, sir, I don't.
Okay. What are the different blocks present in the power supply?
Once I repeat, sir.
What are the different blocks are present in the power supply block diagram? Power supply. Or do you have the mobile phone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You are charged daily, regularly, you are keeping the charging, right? By using the
Yes, sir.
adapter. So what are the in that what are the components are present in that adapter?
Transistors are small semiconductors.
కొత్తదా పాతదా నీ అడాప్టర్?
ఓల్డ్దే సార్.
ఓల్డ్ అయితే దాన్ని డ్యామేజ్ చేసి పగలగొట్టి లోపల ఏమున్నాయో చూడు, మళ్ళీ కొత్తది కనుక్కో. ఓకే,
ఓకే సార్.
డోంట్ డూ దట్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్. But you have to know if you are using the one. So if you are studying in the class, you have to know the minimum what are the blocks should be present. Okay.
Okay.
What is the efficiency of the bridge rectifier? Tell me the value, efficiency value for the bridge rectifier.
Yes, sir.
Bridge rectifier efficiency. The next person D1 get ready. Efficiency of the bridge rectifier.
I think 81.3%.
You think is correct? Okay, you can go. Next, D1. Good. Okay.
Okay.
Next, D1. D1 is there. D1. Okay. Next, 4521. 4521. Is there? No. The next, 4509. 4509.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. The same question. Why the emitter region is wider than the collector region?
Sir, what, sir?
Why
Please
the
repeat.
why the emitter region is wider, width ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది, okay, then the collector region?
The emitter is connect to the collector region to flow of the current delivered by the output, sir.
Delivered by the output. Okay. What is the other name of the BJT transistor?
BJT transistor.
Other name.
BJT. Sir, don't know, sir.
ఇవన్నీ నేను క్లాస్లో కవర్ చేసిన కాన్సెప్ట్స్ అవుతున్నాయి, ఇంకా నేను బియాండ్ వెళ్ళట్లేదు. ఓకే, ద నెక్స్ట్. How much ripples are present in the full wave rectifier?
How much efficiency?
Ripple, RIPPLE, ripples. How much ripples are present in the full wave rectifier output?
Sir, the ripples are 0.48.
0.48.
Yes, sir.
That is the efficiency, not ripple factor.
Sir, efficiency of full wave rectifier is 0.81.2 cos 2.
That is the efficiency, not the ripples. Okay. The next, tell me one application of the transistor.
Transistor is, it is transistor if the first transistor was made by the polycrystals.
What is the question?
Transistor applications.
Okay. My voice is audible for you. Okay, now tell me. Yeah,
Yes,
you
sir.
now you can tell me your answer.
In transistor is applicable to the in BJT.
Okay. BJT full form?
By bipolar junction transistor.
What is meant by bipolar?
Bipolar means it tripolar, so two folds, sir.
Two poles. What are the two poles?
South and north.
ఎక్కడి నుంచి చేస్తున్నారు? Okay, you can go. Your roll number is the 4509. The next one.
Thank
The
you.
next person. 4505. 4505. Is there? 4505, 4206. What's your roll number?
4505.
4505. Okay. What is the knee voltage of the CE configuration transistor?
Sir, can you repeat again, sir?
What is the cut-in voltage of CE transistor? CE transistor means CE configuration. Cut-in voltage of CE transistor.
Above 0.7.
Above 0.7.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
For which transistor? There is a germanium or silicon transistor?
Silicon.
Silicon transistor. Okay. Why the germanium cut-in voltage and the silicon cut-in voltage are both are different?
Because of it consists current flowing. Depletion layer.
Sorry?
Depletion layer plays the dominant controlling.
Deputation layer.
Depletion.
Depletion kadamma, depletion.
Depletion layer.
Depletion layer ఉండదు దాంట్లో. ట్రాన్సిస్టర్ ఫామ్ అయిన తర్వాత ఉంటుంది. Okay. What is the use of filter in power supplies?
Can you repeat again, sir?
What is the filter used in the power supplies? Power supply lo why we are in the filter? The next person get ready. 4206.
Reducing electrical noise. Unlimited undesired high frequencies.
Okay.
That present on AC.
Okay. What is the frequency of the DC current?
50 hertz.
Repeat the question.
No, sir.
Question
50 hertz.
Question repeat cheyama.
What is the frequency of DC current?
Okay, good. The next person get ready. 4206 and 555. Okay. The last question for you. What is the use of pre-amplifier in public address systems?
To process and control audio signals.
Audio signals. Okay. What? Okay. Now we can go. Next, 4206. 4206. Come first.
మైక్ అన్మ్యూట్ చేయండి 4206 వీడియో ఆన్ చేయండి
4206 is there, and then 4555, then 4304. Lera. Next person 4304. 555.
మైక్ అన్మ్యూట్ చేయండి 555 మైక్ అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకోండి.
మైక్ ఆన్ చేయమా? మైక్ ఆన్ చేయి.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is early effect?
What is
Early effect.
early effect?
Ah,
Sorry, sir, I don't know.
okay. Define diode.
A diode is an electric device which allows flow of current in unidirection, sir.
Unidirection. The diode is the unipolar device or bipolar device?
Diode is a bipolar device, sir.
Why it is the bipolar?
Sir,
Why it is called as a bipolar device?
because it has two terminals, sir.
Two terminals ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి bipolar ఉంది.
Hmm?
Two terminals ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి bipolar. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me 3 applications of the diode.
Diode, they are used in PN junction. They are used in transistors, and they used to amplify the current signals.
So diode can be used to amplify the current signals. Okay. What is the input for the mic in public address system?
So what is the
Input for public
sound signal, sir?
Huh?
Sound.
Sound signal. So what is the output of the mic?
Output is also sound signal, but it is converts to takes many changes, sir.
What are the changes?
And it converts to at first it converts to AC signal, sir, and last it converts to again we need sound, sir. Sound signal.
One question. What is the input for the sound signal? Mic is you said the sound. What is the output for the mic?
Output, sir?
Output of the mic.
Output of the mic. Electric signals.
Electric signals. Okay, you can go. Next, 4304. 4304 and 4206.
Yes, sir.
4206 is there. 4509. Enta ma number?
4304.
430. Okay. What is breakdown voltage?
Sir,
What is breakdown voltage?
the voltage at which a material or diode experiences increases in current, which causes it to stop functionally normally.
In CE configuration, okay. In CE configuration, what will be the input terminal? In CE configuration, what will be the input terminal?
Emitter, sir.
Okay. CE stands for CE అంటే ఏంటి అక్కడ? CE transistor.
Common emitter, sir.
So in common emitter transistor, the input terminal is the emitter. Okay. What is the current equation in the transistors?
I equals to V by R.
Okay. I is equal to V by R. What is the current equation in the transistors?
IB equals to IC plus IE.
Okay. Do you know the other name of the transistor?
BJT transistors.
BJT. So the transistor is basically called the BJT only. Other name of the BJT transistor.
Portal radio.
Huh?
Portal radio.
Radio.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is a transistor?
Sir,
What is transistor? Define transistor.
it flows. It is a low flows.
Hmm.
Controls
Hmm.
flow of current.
Hmm. Okay. The next person 4306.
Thank you, sir.
4306. 4329. 4435. 4435. 4334 and 4282.
4334 రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వండి అమ్మా. మైక్ అన్మ్యూట్ చేసి వీడియో ఆన్ చేయండి. 4334.
ఓకే సార్.
4334. Yes. 4334.
Sir.
Okay.
Hello.
What is a base width modulation? నువ్వు నీ ఫేస్ కరెంట్ సైడ్ పెట్టాలా. బల్బ్ ఎక్కడైతే వెలుగుతుందో అటు సైడ్ పెట్టాలా. బేస్ విడ్త్ మాడ్యులేషన్. నువ్వు లైట్ సైడ్ తిరిగమ్మా. ఓకే, టెల్ మీ వాట్ ఈస్ ద బేస్ విడ్త్ మాడ్యులేషన్?
So, base width
modulation. It is also called early effect. What is early effect?
When there will be a reverse, increase in reverse bias, there will be base width modulation.
Okay. What is reverse saturation current? Reverse saturation current.
Reverse.
Okay. Okay. How to convert the binary to decimal number?
రెండు. So binary to decimal.
Decimal. ఎలా కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తాం? Okay. The transistor is made up of the which type of semiconductors? The transistor is made up of
P type and N type, sir. There will be two types of transistors, NPN and PNP transistors.
Okay. And to make the NPN transistor, how we are connecting the diodes? How many diodes are present in the transistor?
NPN transistor, sir.
To make the NPN transistor, how we are connecting the diodes? Two diodes. How? ఎలా కనెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం డయోడ్స్ ని? ఆ టూ డయోడ్స్
Input will be in forward. Input will be in forward bias. So positive to anode, sir. And for collector, cathode to anode. Sorry, positive to.
Okay. Do you know the Okay, now you can go, ma. 4344. Okay, good.
What, sir?
Okay, thank you. The next, anyone? 4282. ఎవరున్నారు ఇక్కడ 4509 గోవర్స్ 43A6
సార్ 6Q4201 సార్
ఎంతమ్మా
4201 సార్ 6Q
4201
ఎస్ సార్ 6Q సార్
62
6Q4201 సార్
నేను లాస్ట్ 4 డిజిట్స్ చెప్పమ్మా
4201 సార్
4201 అయిపోయింది కదా ఆల్రెడీ
టైప్ ప్లస్ సార్
24B21A4201
నో సార్ 246Q1A4201 సార్
6Q ఇది
ఎస్ సార్ కైట్ ప్లస్
Kite to students, sir.
ఓకే ఓకే 6Q ఓకే వాట్ ఈస్ ట్రాన్సిస్టర్
it controls the flow of current sir it controls the flow of current sir
it controls the flow of current
yes sir when high voltage that time you use transistors
okay what is the peak inverse voltage
what sir
peak inverse voltage
peak inverse voltage no sir I don't know sir
okay define dynamic resistance of the diode
dynamic resistance sir the ratio of small change in current to ratio of small change in voltage yes
so
sir.
I by V
voltage to current
I by V or V by I
V by I sir sorry sir
V by I okay when the transistor is acts as a amplifier
when when heavy output signal is produced sir in that time we use that sir
what is amplifier
which increases the voltage or current something
okay
increases the voltage or current sir
okay
it's called
okay.
amplifier
Okay good next anyone
thank you sir sir 4307 sir
4307
yes sir
name amma
Anita sir
Anita ఇంతకుముందు ఆమె వచ్చిన పేరు ఏం పేరు ఇంతకుముందు
Sai Monica sir
Monica Sai Monica okay Anita tell me applications of the transistor
switches ki ఇంకా amplifiers sir digital logic circuits and high power equipments
okay when the transistor introduced in which year the transistor was introduced
in sir 1947 sir
1947 okay what is the first electronic device what is the first electronic device
Remote switch, sir.
Remote switch. Okay. Who invented the transistor?
John Bertin, sir.
John Bertin. The three scientists.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
William Shockley, John Bertin.
Yeah. Okay. And what is the reverse saturation current?
Sir.
Define reverse saturation current.
Reverse saturation current. Small current that flows through diodes, sir.
Okay, in the pure semiconductors, if the temperature increases, what changes will happen in the semiconductors? In the pure semiconductors, if the temperature increases, what will happen?
Sir.
For the pure semiconductors, if the temperature increases, what will happen? తక్కువ చెప్తే full marks ఇచ్చేస్తాం.
Decreases the resistance, sir.
Increases the
resistance.
So for every 10 degrees centigrade rise in the temperature, how much current will increase? For every 10 degrees centigrade temperature, how much current will increase? Increase అవుతుంది, టెంపరేచర్ పెరుగుతుంది కదా, ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే,
1 degree, sir.
నేను కరెంట్ ఎంత పెరుగుతున్నాను, టెంపరేచర్ కాదు. ఫర్ ఎవ్రీ 10 డిగ్రీ సెంటిగ్రేడ్ 10 డిగ్రీల టెంపరేచర్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతే హౌ మచ్ కరెంట్ విల్ ఇంక్రీజ్?
I don't know, sir.
ఓకే ఓకే, ఎనీ అదర్?
Thank you, sir.
Any other? I will read out the numbers: 4306, 4329, 4435, 4282, 4385, 4385. Huh? No one?
4206 response.
4206 ఓవర్ మేడం ఆల్రెడీ. వాడు అట్లానే ఉన్నాడు కానీ అయిపోయింది, చెప్పాడు అబ్బాయి. ఓకే మేడం, ఐ థింక్
4386. 4386. Unmute your mic. Sir, completed, sir.
Yeah, 4386 Viva already completed.
Okay, sir. Completed, sir.
ఓకే మేడం, కొందరు యాబ్సెంట్ ఉన్నారు అంటే ఇచ్చిన లిస్ట్లో.
సార్
లిస్ట్లో కొందరు యాబ్సెంట్ ఉన్నారు అంటే ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఇచ్చిన ప్రొవైడ్ చేసిన లిస్ట్లో. ఈ మార్క్స్ మీరు వేసుకుంటారా, నేను పంపించాలా, లేకపోతే రేపు చెప్పాలా?
రేపు సెండ్ చేయండి సార్.
ఓకే, నేను చెప్తాను, మీరు వేసుకుంటారు.
ఓకే సార్. ఓకే సార్.
ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.